want to tell Outre there was a lace shortage, if that is actually true, because we don't need all this lace. Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new wig review. And I literally only have 6 words to say to you. Outre, Kamiyah, 2 colors, let's go. Okay guys, ooh child, I love this thing. Okay, let's talk about this one. So this is by Outre. It is from their melted hairline. You guys know this is Kamiyah. Kamiyah is all the rage right now. I have her in the DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. And look at the model on the stock card, y'all. She sold this wig, period, poo, period. She does come in a number of other colors. We're also going to look at her in the DRFF4 Strawberry Gold. But I just wanted to stop and give you all my thoughts on this Cinnamon Mocha. I got this one because I thought it would be a beautiful color for the fall. And I am so glad I got this. Oh, this color is beautiful. Hopefully my camera is really picking up for you guys just how beautiful, like a beautiful cinnamon kind of auburn kind of color. Okay, I did have one little con with her. So let's just talk about her real quick. Saw that she has that wide elastic band in her. So that allows you the ability to be able to wear her glueless. I have nothing glued down on this bad boy. You can see, of course, the lace on the side if the wind were to blow, but you could also, sis, just kind of tuck this down behind your ear and no problem, go live your life. I did go ahead and tint the lace. You guys, this is that soft Swiss lace, and let's see, is it, yes, the HD transparent lace. It is absolutely nice lace. You guys know I like to tint with gray hair cover-up spray. This time I tried the Clairol. Normally I use the L'Oreal gray hair cover-up spray, but I wanted to try this Clairol Root Touch-Up. This one is in the color dark to medium blonde. It is a temporary cover-up spray. And I wanted to try this one because it's $2 cheaper. This one's $7.99, and the L'Oreal that I normally show you guys that I use is $9.99. So I am happy with the way that it colored this lace. I think that it does match my skin perfectly well. Look at that. I didn't want to lay this one down because we're gonna go ham on the Strawberry Gold. I will lay her down for you and do her baby hairs, yada yada yada. So this unit does come with baby hairs, nice little wispy ones that you can cut to your liking. They're not too thick, sis, and they're not too long. Now the only real issue that I have with this unit is I have a track that is lifting right here in the front, and let me show you guys. There it is. See that track? So I'm either going to cut that or I might sew it down. This unit does lay, guys, flat with that elastic band. It really does lay flat. I did not put any heat to her. She is kind of a silky yacky texture. She does have, as you can see, she does have yackiness in her. So, and she's the perfect density. I love the length on her, not too long. Let's see, big head friendly. I would say this cap is more of like medium head friendly. Like if you have a large head, you can definitely get away with it. With my Wigrip on, my head is 23 inches. So as long as your head isn't above a 23, if it's more than 23 inches, it's gonna feel kind of tight on you, because it does feel tight on me. The other one is just a different color, exact same wig construction. So I'm not gonna talk about that, but I do want to go ahead and lay her down and show her to you. All right, you still with me, sis? Let's go. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. I absolutely love it. Okay, so cons. I will say one con is that it's kind of thin up here in the top, but that does allow it to lay flat. I didn't put any heat, any product, nothing in this wig. And as you can see, it lays so flat. It's so beautiful. The lace, yeah, it's a lot of lace on these wigs. Somebody might want to tell Outre there was a lace shortage, if that is actually true, because we don't need all this lace. I have no idea what that was all about, but it's a lot of lace to cut. I don't know that I really want to call this beginner friendly, because the hairline is so phenomenal. Like, you really got to take your time and just cut it in sections a little at a time, and just go all the way around exactly how they have the hairline made. And then once you put it on your head, you can kind of tweak it like you saw me do. Like, I cut some of this here off, and I cut it down just a little bit here on the sides. And I mean, look at that. That is just bomb.com, girl. Who did that? Who did that? Weezy. I mean, this hairline is awesome, but I don't know that I want to call this beginner friendly. And you can definitely lay it down. I went ahead and laid this one down so that you guys could see how flawless it would actually look. So yeah, this one is a winner, but I think it's more for the middle to more advanced wig wearers who know how to deal with the lace. That's just my opinion, you guys. If you were a beginner, practice on another wig before you tackle this one, and then tackle this one. Okay, how about that? I will say, as far as big head friendly, like I said, if your head is larger than 23 inches, this is going to be kind of like a rubber band on you. Okay, so the yuckiness, I feel like this DRFF4 Strawberry Gold, it feels just a little bit more yucky to me than the Cinnamon Mocha, but not a lot, just a touch. I think they're both absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy with both of them. I can't wait to wear this one to work tomorrow. This thing, I mean, they're both just gorgeous. Yay! Outre for the win! So yeah, guys, I think that is pretty much all I have to tell you about these. For under $40, this is bomb.com. I love the melted hairline line. Definitely can wear this with or without headbands. Let me throw one on for you. This is just a blue jean headband. And sis, you can definitely throw a headband on if you want to wear one, or you don't have to at all. But girl, I love these wigs. So I hope you all have an absolutely blessed day. If you are not subscribed to the channel, sis, go ahead, hit that red subscribe button. It's free 99. Help your girl out. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and share, share, share. I love you all to pieces. Have a very blessed week, sis. And remember, girl, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! I'm definitely giving this a 10 out of 10.